Hi guys, it's me again. And last time I showed you about those treats, and this time I'm going to tell you how much flour, So get one piece of bread and crumble it up, like you see I did right here. And then you're going to need 6 eggs, a half cup of flour. Pour that in with the bread, mix it around. Once that's finished, crack 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. And once you're finished with that, you're going to want to grab a fork or spoon, best if it's a fork, and then mix that up. And then you add the other 3 eggs. So just add 3 at a time. So you should have, at the end, might have to, okay, so we're done with that mixing, and then put in the other 3 eggs. Oops. This one's not wanting to crack for me. Oops. There we go. Finally. And then the last egg. You should have 6 eggs in total. There. Okay, so that's done. And then you're gonna want to roll up your sleeves like this. Then you're gonna want to mix slowly. Also known as very, very good. At the end, we will need it. At the end, really, very end. And if it's too liquidy, like it's a little liquidy for me, add a little bit of flour, just barely. Do a very small amount of flour and stir. You know why I look down? It's because my dog's usually watching me cook all the time. Every time I'm cooking dinner, something for my mom. My mom always gets a lot of headaches. But yeah, so I cook dinner sometimes. And I like to cook. My mom's not a fan of cooking. And then it should get to this consistency, see? Oh, sorry. This doughy consistency. This should look like this. A little chunky, but it's okay. That chunks is just the bread. And just mix. And then okay, we're gonna let that sit for a minute. So talking when we're here. So you know for my first video when I was talking about the dog treats and how it has too much oil. So yeah, that could happen. And other stuff that could also happen is stomach issues, bad breathing, heart failure. And some heart failures is just from old age. Some heart failures is, if it's young, it's mostly from the treats you're buying and wasting your money. And then you just have to waste your money on other stuff, pretty much. So I thought, why not make homemade treats instead? So once I thought of that, I thought of actually just doing that. So I thought, I'm gonna make homemade treats. I don't want my dogs to get sick and waste all my money. And my mom would rather waste money because she thinks of it as a waste of time, pretty much. And so that's pretty much what. And when I'm talking, I'm just adding bits of flour to kind of get it kind of doughy like this. See, I'm just mixing it up slowly, trying to get everything in there. It does stick to you, I'll tell you that. It will stick like normal dough. just stick like a lot of those. If you know how to get dough off fingers, tell me. And I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'll be right back. Okay, so back here. So when you all using, if you're all gonna make this, be prepared. It's gonna be messy, but it is fun. I'll tell you that. Tell you it's very fun, easy to do with family and friends. And if you ever want to do this, remember you do not need parent supervision except for the thing, and I'm waiting for my mom, so that's why I'm mixing this. And why do I need so many paper towels, right? It's because I need to get this off. So when I'm making this, I can see my mom out the window, and yeah. And this is good for big dogs, little dogs, any kinds of dogs. Hi, Jack. If you don't remember my first video that I've ever made, it was when I was talking to stuff. And I'm just adding more flour to this. I'm personally just adding flour to everything right now. And, yeah. Here we go. Mama, can you turn on the oven? Mama, can you please turn on the pan for me?
Yes.
Thank you. So that's what's wrong. I just don't really know how. I'm just really don't know how. But yeah, that's why I'm my mom. So